In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the background color in Photoshop. So to start this off, I actually opened up this picture and I'm going to change the background color to blue. Okay, so step number one is making sure that you add a second layer, just like that. But then you want to select layer 0. So select the picture, but make sure there's another layer on top of it. Next up, you want to select the quick selection tool and then click the plus icon right there, the plus one, not the minus one. Next up, you need to start selecting the background, okay? Just like that. I'm going to click here as well on this side, and then it should automatically, with the quick selection tool, select the background. Next up, hit backspace, and then you only have the object or person left on your picture, okay? Then you want to save that. So I'm going to save this. I'll just save it as test1234, and then you want to make sure to save it as a PNG file so that it's transparent. Now next up, you want to go a few steps backward and just delete this layer and not select anything, okay? So I'll just deselect all of this so that you would have your normal picture again. Click on File, click on Place, and then open the file. As you can see right there, you see no difference. If I do this, no difference at all. But what I can now do is change the layer background. So for example, I can simply click on FX and then click on color overlay, just like that. And right now I can actually change the background to any color. So I said that I was going to make it blue. We'll just go with this color blue, which I like. Then click on OK. And as you can see right there, you now have a different background color basically. So that's what I always do to change the background color. It's a simple process. All you need to do is just follow the steps, and then I'm sure that this will work out. So you can now change this to any color by using the color tools. I can make it, let's see, green. I can make it red. It doesn't matter. I can even use gradient colors just like that if I really want to. Let's see if I go with this one, get rid of this one. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much how you can do this. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.